Did you know that if there is a formal religion called Luminism that worships Luminas as a deity, then a similar religion could be formed for Rimuru, which is called Rimurism? Diablo is the #1 believer due to his extreme loyalty and obsession with Rimuru. Following this, Adalman could be seen as the second Diablo or the second most devoted believer, given his strong worship of Rimuru as a god. After the war with the Eastern Empire, Rimuru resurrected the Imperial soldiers who had died, including Commander Kulgurio. As a result of this miraculous act, Commander Kulgurio began to worship Rimuru, and this devotion quickly spread among the soldiers. Diablo also successfully convinced Rain to become a follower of Rimuru by sharing stories about him, ultimately leading to Rain being converted to Rimurism as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.